Well, it's moving day today, and I got to tell you, I'm a little bit nervous. You know, when you have, your whole life with your shop here, and you're getting ready to move across country, and everything is piled up, and you're not really certain how it's all going to go. I'm going to, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of equipment, and you just kind of hope that it finds its way there safely. And that's what we're looking forward to. You can see I got stuff piled up there. They got the forklift here. I got more stuff over there. And of course, the heavy items here in the shop. So, all right, well, a little bit of progress here in the shop. The movers are here. Let me see if I can back up out here. It's kind of nerve-wracking, I will admit. A little crazy to see all of this stuff going on in the truck. There's a forklift there, and we're taking inventory as they load right there. And equipment and everything is being staged and getting ready to, wow, look at that, the welding cart right there. They're wrapping it up and getting ready to load that on the truck. Well, there it is right there, North American Van Lines. Those guys did an amazing job loading everything I have in my shop into that truck. And I got to tell you, there wasn't a lot to spare. However, those guys, they packed everything in, did an amazing job. Right down to the mill, right there. Great job. Looking forward to seeing this on the other end. And there it is. Truck number 1 on its way to Orlando, Florida. Truck number 2 coming tomorrow to move the house. I'll keep you updated.